Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Chrissy and I make lifestyle and travel content. I love planning and want to share the excitement with you. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's go! Hi there, it's Chrissy. I am going to give you a quick room tour of the Courtyard Marriott. So that's the front door. That's the bathroom, currently occupied. The bed. The lounge chair, side table, footstool. Very nice combination. Light. Outside patio. Air conditioning. Down there is a little fridge. Sorry, my sandals are making a loud noise. The TV, desk area. I actually set my clamshell up on that. And then there's another area over here. Mirror. Yeah. So, very nice stay. Oh yeah, luggage protector. It's the first time I'm using it, so I was like, I want it to stay sort of white or beige or whatever the color is. So we'll just leave it. My nails, very excited. I got them all. They're Kiss and Press. They're not the type that you use the nail glue for, so they have an adhesive. So they're supposed to last 7 days, so we'll see. So far so good, because I'm klutzy. So anyways, we're going to be going to Port Carnival to get on our cruise. See you later. Bye. Did not get any footage of our actual room, but I have some pictures of from our balcony, outside our room, inside the hotel, and looking out the hotel um, by the elevators. It was a really nice hotel, and I definitely would stay there again. Best bed of the whole trip. Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Chrissy says it's some kind of cheese.